assemble a 3monkeez In2Gr8 Strip Drain. 3monkeez In2Gr8 Strip Drains come in a kit form, ready for you to assemble on site. This will save you time and money. In2Gr8 Strip Drains are made from 316 marine grade stainless steel, so you can use them for many different installations. In your kit, you get a channel, end caps, a movable outlet, and a tile insert or wedge wire top piece. You also get a hole saw and sealant to put your grate together. There are many different components you can get for your In2Gr8 Strip Drain, including corners, joining strips, and fixed and removable baskets for your outlet. In2Gr8 comes with a flat bottom or a V-bottom to suit your installation. They also come in a multitude of sizes, from 50mm wide to 150mm wide, and lengths starting from 900 to 2.4 metres long. To start your assembly, you'll need to get the measurement from the end of your drain to the centre of your outlet. We then take the outlet piece, put it on the channel and mark that measurement. Before you start with the hole saw, make sure you first drill a pilot hole. Take the hole saw provided in your drill and drill a hole into the channel. Then if you need to adjust the length of your channel at all, measure the length, and you can use a hacksaw or an angle grinder to slightly adjust the length of your channel. Now take the sealant provided and put a circle all the way around the outlet on the base of your channel. Now take your outlet and press onto the base of your tray, ensuring the outlet hole and the hole you've just drilled line up. Now take your end caps and the sealant provided, put a line of sealant all the way across your end piece. Simply push onto the end of your drain. Now your In2Gr8 Strip Drain is ready to be installed. Place the strip drain ensuring your outlet goes into your puddle flange. Make sure your tile insert piece or your wedge wire piece is installed before you tile or concrete up to the edge of your strip drain. Your In2Gr8 Strip Drain will no doubt look a treat and your job is done. We trust this installation video has answered all your questions. If you have any more questions, please contact our Wise Advice or customer care team.